everybody, welcome back to Creating Hanley. I am Kimberly and this is my cat Sabrina. If you've been watching my videos, you already know Sabrina makes many appearances in my videos. She's very affectionate and she doesn't want to be far from me. So, I don't want to be far from her either. I mean, if people were like this, like genuine and pure of heart, the world would be such a better place, don't you think? I think so. Cats and dogs, too. I'm not excluding dogs, I just don't have any. Anyway, this video, we are opening this package. So, welcome back to my station, my channel, Creating Hanley, where I talk about mostly things fabric right now. So, in quilting videos. And in the winter, we're going to be doing some more quilting because I can't garden. But come spring, we're going to be doing some gardening too. So, yes. Maybe I'll try to get some furniture painting videos on, but once it gets cold, I really can't go outside. It's not good for the paint or me, basically. Anyway, let's get back into this. So, what do I have in here? Ooh, what do I have in here? So, in this package, I have designed. So, I've been busy working on other projects, and yes, I do apologize for not putting out more videos quicker on the sewing blocks, on the quilting blocks. I've just been inundated with other projects and all for this channel, of course. But then I do work my other regular jobs 7 days a week. So I try. And I have this cat that I just love and I have to take care of. Anyway. La la la! Drum roll. So I have been working on designing fabric patterns for you guys. And I was working on Christmas designs. And I know it's a little late in the season now. It's already December 10th. So I'm behind the 8 ball. I wasn't on target on that. But I just sort of found out this stuff like relatively recently. And I have had this package for a week. So it's not like, I did have it in the beginning of December. But anyway, so in here are 84 patterns that I designed. You ready? Okay, here we go. So we get this little thingy. This tells you, what I ordered. It's a lot. So these are 2 yards of fabric, and it was quite pricey just to get the, so anyway, I'm not showing you. 2 yards of fabric. And what is printed on here, so this is cotton, and the quality is, it's okay. So here's a jelly roll, and this is pretty thick cotton. Cotton. I actually don't know what kind of cotton it is. But this is like just a jelly roll that I picked up at Joann Fabrics, the big fabric store. And this is a little bit thicker in feel. So I'm going to assume it's a pretty good quality cotton. It was pricey. So anyway, let's open this and see what I did. So I'm going to back this up a little bit. Go against my whiteboard here. My white wall. So I wanted to do a Christmas theme, and I did snowmen, so you can see. Looky, snowmen, and more snowmen right there. So let's put this up against the wall. So this is 1 yard of fabric, and there are 48 patterns. I think there are 48 patterns on here. Maybe that's one of my projects for next year. On this wall, I will put a design board. Just tape up, something, I don't know, design board. Because otherwise, this would be able to stick if I had a design board. But anyway, check it out, guys. What do you think? From a distance, yeah. So, a lot of green in there. But, as you can kind of see, Each square, and these are 6-inch square, 8-inch squares. I think they're 8-inch squares. I don't know, 6 or 8 inch. I'll have to measure it for sure. Where's my block? All right, so this is a 6-inch block right here. They're 6-inch squares. Okay, so that's confirmed. They are 6-inch squares. So you can kind of see what I designed right here. And my thought was to pick out some of the ones that transferred on this fabric very well and order those and work with those. Look at this square one. Check this one out. Wait, where is it? Right there. That's from a snowman. That square, those little squares. And the snowman there. Like, this one is one of my favorites. This one's one of my favorites. This one I think is great for St. Patrick's Day. I think I'm gonna order that for, not for Christmas, but for St. Patrick's Day. I really love this one. This one. So I think the snowmen are kind of cute. Yeah. So that's what I've been working on, folks. And then here's the other. So I bought 2 yards, and there are these are all 6-inch squares, and they're just little samples. Now this one I didn't have. It shouldn't be like this. This one I didn't have the settings correct. These circles should be separate. But yeah. So it's a work in progress. So I'm still trying to figure this out, how this works, right? So what I'm doing is I'm basically designing my own line of fabric. So that you guys, if I put kits together, like table runners or whatever, I will use my own fabric, and then you guys can buy those kits, or you can buy the fabric if you really like it and make other projects with them. So that is my goal. That is my intention. And obviously I'm working towards that. So we're on our way, folks. We're on our way. So see, these are all made from snowmen. Let's come in a little closer. See their little See their little faces? The snowmen. Just different designs that I was working with and just trying to come up with something kind of cool and different. Check this one out. This is made of snowmen too. You can kind of see the gloves right in here. Whoops. These are the snowman gloves. Isn't that cute? Oh, I thought it was hilarious. So anyway, that's kind of what I was working on. Not kind of, obviously, there's evidence right here. So I designed some different fabric patterns. So I just wanted to show you that. And I was hoping to get it done and have like a project done in time for Christmas, and then I could put kits together. It's already December 10th. I think I'm a little late for that. I mean, if you guys really want something, I can't promise that I'm going to get it done in time. But, oh, this one's cool too. Check that out. I like it. Yeah, so I can't promise that I'm going to get anything done in time for before Christmas and then have like kits done and like ready to go out, because that should be done already. And this it is an overnight shipping. It takes a little bit of time. I mean, the company has to print the design. So it is printed. So if you look on the back, it's just white. It's printed fabric. So there's different types of fabric, of cotton fabric. Like, most of these are printed. Like, even this one at Joann Fabrics, you can see it's printed and it's white on the back. Most of them are printed. So, color, and I mean, the color shows through on the back, but it does here too. But this is a little bit thicker cotton, so this is kind of thin. Same with this one. This is, pretty. And then it's just white on the back. So these are, I'm not going to say the majority of the fabric that you get at like Joann. Oh, yeah. Check this one out, guys. This fabric. This is puffy. This is like a plasticky kind of printed on Oh, what's that called? Like, you know, that plasticky stuff that's printed, that's heat printed on here? Even that. And then, boop, that's the back. It's not fabric colored. It's not colored thread all the way through the fabric. It's just white fabric is what the manufacturer does, and then prints the pattern on it. And that's what these are. So it's called a surface pattern. So yeah, so that's what I'm working on, guys. So what I had in mind was to cut out these 6-inch squares perfectly. So I would have a stack of 6-inch squares, and then make a project with them and see what you think. Now, if you have any thoughts on that, if you have any ideas or suggestions, I mean, the easy one would be coasters, because I mean, it's already 6 inches. You just cut out a square and put it back on, and boom, you're done. But I wanted to do something a little bit, more intricate than just that. Maybe a log cabin or Christmas trees. So a lot of this green, I kind of had thought I would just, trim and make in strips, and then scrappy strip a Christmas tree together, and maybe do like the reds on the contrasting sides or something, the snowman, I don't know, something. That was my idea. So I didn't really have anything solidified. I just kind of had, some thoughts. So guys, that's what I'm working on. So obviously this is the Christmas theme, and so I need to get working on more themes. What do you guys want to see? What colorways do you want to see? I happen to really like green. That's like my favorite color. But and I know I wear black a lot too. But what colors do you have in your house? What would you like to gift people? What would you like to see, so that I create the things that you want? I'm happy to create the stuff that I want, but I can only put so many quilted things in my house. My walls are going to be quilted here pretty soon. But what do you guys want to see? So let me know in the comments what it is exactly, and if this is something that you want or something that you don't want. I need to know, like, yeah, I love it, Kim, and I'm 100% in. I'll buy it. But you know what I don't like is the people that say, "Yeah, that's great. Do it. I want it," and then never follow through. The people that never follow through really get on my nerves. They do. And I know sometimes I don't follow through on videos. It takes me a long time to get something out, but I do get something out. I mean, it might be like 6 months that I, finally get something out, but I do get it out. So, and if there's anything that you want to see for 2024, let me know. I have a videographer now, and I have another editor. So I have like 2 people helping me with this channel now. So hopefully you will see better edited videos. And that just means, better quality. Why do I look like I just woke up? It's noon. It's like noon. And my hair is a mess. I don't know. I'm getting a cut in next week. Oh my God, I just made it worse. You know what I'm going to do? Here's what I'm going to do in 2024. Let's create like trading cards of Kim's hair. Kim's hair trading cards, right? Because Kim's hair is always crazy every video. What do you think about that? So maybe on my Patreon members or my memberships, you can collect trading cards of Kim's hair. It's just something silly, right? Oh my gosh, it's crazy. All right, guys. So I just wanted to come on. It's a little bit longer video than I wanted, but I wanted to show you what I've been working on. So that's why I've been AWOL a little bit. But we're heading into the Christmas season, so I was hoping that I could get this done. But let me know in the comments what you want to see for anything, and we will try to get that done in 2024. I wanted to put out at least 2 new, not a year full of stars is now completed. We did that. Although there are more star patterns, there are more star blocks that we could do another whole year, and maybe I'll do that in the future sometime. But I think for next year I want to at least put out 2 star block, or not star blocks. I apologize. It's on my head now. 2 different blocks quilt blocks a month. I think I can commit to 2 different quilt blocks a month. And now that I have some helpers, we can stick to a schedule. Okay. And what else? I have some more things coming up. Like I said, my membership will be open in 2024. We're trying to get that going, and I'm thinking about a Patreon page, so I can bring you better content. Because right now everything is sponsored by Kimberly Hanley of Hanley Creating Hanley. I almost said Hanley Associates, not of Creating Hanley. So everything is sponsored by me, and that just means I'm working way too much, and that's probably why I look tired even at noon. So anyway, guys, thanks for hitting all the likes, shares, and subscribe buttons on that thing. I look forward to working with you in the future. And again, leave some comments. Let me know what's going on. It's like crickets right now. Like sometimes I hear, oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. But I need to know, like, what else do you want to see? Like, what kind of projects do you want to see? I have, like, half-created projects everywhere around my studio that maybe I should do Whip It Wednesdays or something. Like, you know, get it done. Just do it. Nike, just do it. You know, right? Yeah, so I have, like, a jeans quilt that I started. I cut out all the squares for her, so I wanted to do a jeans quilt for you guys. That's been sitting there for months and months. I have some tote bags that I started that I didn't finish, that maybe we can finish. I have another quilt. I have a Steelers quilt that I started, like a football quilt. It doesn't have to be Steelers. It could be whatever, just the pattern might be the same. You know, but anyway, like a sports quilt that I started that I haven't finished. What else is going on? Oh, my St. Patrick's quilt that I started 2-3 years ago. It's just sitting there. Yeah. So many projects. So if you want to see me quilt those, let's do that. So I need to take some time off in 2024 and commit to this. But I need to know that you guys are along with me. I want to build something that you want. I want to build a channel. I want to build something that's instructional but entertaining at the same time. I mean, watch me, with my crazy hair and my sewing mistakes and my cat running through the video and all that stuff. All right, guys. Bye for now. See you on the next one. Have a great, and if I don't see you before Christmas, have a great Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'm sure there's going to be another video before then. Pretty much guaranteed. All right. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.